Hi everyone, Mike here from MyKeyReviews. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at the Spyro Incense burner. As you can see here, kind of like the front bit isn't very well packaged. They could have made it a little bit nicer, but you know, all around it, it's pretty decent. It's just at the front it looks a bit lame. So this retails in for about £30 and it is an officially licensed product. So Numskull, who do these products, they do a whole variety of gaming merchandise, and they always have their products licensed by the game companies. So yeah, $29.99 and all official, and a pretty decent size as well. This is the size of my hand. Honestly, I didn't actually expect it to be this big. I just saw the advertisement of it, I thought that's pretty decent, I'm gonna buy one. And at the time of making this video, they're on back order as well, so they've proven to be very popular. So as for the box, not really much to it. It kind of gives you a little brief or rundown of how to use the product. Pretty simple. Put your incense in that little cup there, into the base, and then put Spyro on top, and hopefully smoke will come out. And yeah, should be pretty cool. So as you can see here, done by Numskull, licensed through Activision. And with the package, I bought some extra incense. I'm not actually sure if there's any that's included, but we will soon see. It's the first bit to come out. So pretty good. Line work doesn't seem that bad at all. See, very plasticky. Next bit to come out. Oh, got the little incense pot. This one's made of metal. Part of the base. Oh, that's well and truly stuck. Yeah, so no incense included, so do make sure that if you do decide to go for this, you buy some separately. So here's the base. This goes in first. We have the little pot. Grab ourselves an incense cone. This is probably not a great idea in doing it in such a small room, but hey ho. Alright, so just gonna light the incense cone. Just let it burn a little bit. There we go. Right. Put that in. And then simply put Spyro on top, and it should come out of his nose. Ah, there we are. Okay, so it's a little bit hard to see from a downward view, so got my other camera. Let's have a bit of a close-up. That is really good. Really good. It's mainly coming out from its left nostril. Let's twist it a little bit. Okay, so it's yeah, definitely possible for it to come out of both. I think it's just where I've positioned that. Don't really want to touch that as that's really hot, so I'll put that back on. Maybe if I twist it that way. There we are. That's fantastic. Honestly, this is probably one of the best merchandise that I've seen in a long time. That's absolutely amazing. Alright, so it's been burning for quite a few minutes and just feeding around. Spyro is not getting hot, which is pretty good. So, I mean, to be honest, they would have thought this out anyway, so, you know, it's going to be heat resistant, so it's not going to melt or anything like that. As for the more accurate size, if I just quickly take this off, oh, a lot of smoke everywhere. The diameter is just above 16 centimeters. And he's in about 28 centimeters tall. So that, I would say, is a pretty good size for your money. And I mean, just overall, it just looks so good. Great for a gaming room. You know, if you want to have Spyro 90 making your room look cooler but smelling nice, then this is definitely a product for you. Yeah, so not really much you can say, just it's absolutely awesome. If you can get your hands on one, definitely do. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.